we have the Honda VFR750 and VFR800. First released in 1986, the VFR750 RC24 kept the Interceptor name in the USA until 1990. But that was the start of so many changes, it's impossible to list them all. The VFR750 lasted until 1997 before being superseded by the VFR800, which was still being produced in 2021. That is effectively 36 years of continuous production, and I know there are many who would still be buying it now if Honda would still make it. From start to finish, the overall power output has stayed fairly steady at around 100 horsepower for the 750 and closer to 110 for the 800. Some will prefer the 750, which was carb-fed, others the 800, which got fuel injection. Both have beautifully engineered engines with gear-driven cams. The VTEC version does get a whole boatload more mid-range torque than the earlier 750, but they all have plenty of power on tap when it's needed. They are complex machines and aren't the easiest to work on. That's why they were only mentioned briefly in the first Bombproof bikes video, which I will link above. However, the reality is that outside routine maintenance and replacing the red wreck, you shouldn't really have much to do as far as maintenance is concerned. The VFR is a sports bike, but it's a practical sports bike. It will happily carry luggage and a passenger with ease and cruise along at highway speeds all day when needed. But show it a canyon road or a mountain pass, and before you know it, you'll be scraping your knee with the best. I've watched VFRs hold their own with much faster bikes on track days. They are a great bike that makes it easy to get the best from them. The engine will do endless miles if it's looked after well, so look for service history more than low mileage. A bike with long periods of ownership is always a good way to sort the lemons out too. Build quality is generally really good. I remember one story was that the early 750 was actually a loss leader, built to try and repair the damage done to Honda's reputation by the cams made from cheese that many of the bikes from the early 80s suffered from. If you want a practical, comfortable and reliable sports tourer, then the reality is the VFR 750 and 800 are hard to beat. If you got this far and haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing means you get to find out first when our regular updates, news, views and other videos go out each and every week. It all helps kick the YouTube algorithm into gear and gets the channel out there to new potential viewers. Please share the video with anyone you think will be interested too if you could. The YouTube algorithm is a fickle beast, so it's really helpful for me if you can share it around. You can visit the website or the Redbubble shop linked in the description below for the best biker t-shirts and other merchandise, and there are more exciting motorcycle adventures and other stories from the shed and beyond on the website too. So why not grab yourself a cuppa and take a look around. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I hope you get some great riding in. Ride free everyone.